Mr. Village shopping haul with me! So, these are the things we got from Mr. Village and other sale from London, and we'll unbox it just for you. And just comment down below if you want to know the prices, so I could comment the prices because I don't want to like shout the prices if no one cares anyway. So first things first, this is a Jo Malone cologne. I got this for Tita Doris. It's a Christmas present. I'll unbox it for her anyway. She unboxed it already last Christmas, but we'll show it to you. So this is the Jo Malone, and it really got a nice presentation and box. And the nice thing here is it is personalized. So this is the English pear and sweet pea, and it got her initials here. If you could see, I'm not sure if you could see it, but she got the initials there. And it's personalized at dinayo pa talaga namin to in Covent Garden just for personalization. For personalization purposes. Parang mawawala naman yung pabango. And then, next would be, eto na, everything in here would be from Mr. Village because this one is not on sale. It's like from Jo Malone on a retail price. So, first thing we got, what did we first buy? I think the first thing we bought is the Lacoste shirts for my brothers and for my father. So, yeah, these are the Lacoste shirts. So, ayan. Different sizes but different colors. Got green, gray Lacoste shirt, and a white one as well, because you know, in the Philippines it's quite warm and humid, so shirts, t-shirts are best things for that one. And that's for them. Put it down here. And this one is a pasabay from Eccles Coley. I also bought 3 shirts, but I don't want to unbox it because this is not mine. This is a pasabay from Eccles Compare. For Eccles Compare. Next one we got was this one. Le Creuset espresso mug, because my gift for Harry last Christmas is a coffee maker, and it has espresso pods in there. So I got him an espresso mug from Le Creuset. It's so cute. And actually, Le Creuset's bag is so nice because it's eco bag. It's very reusable. Good decision, Le Creuset. Next one would be this one, the Under Armour one. This is like gifts for my ninongs and titos and cousins. So I got 3 shirts from Under Armour. It's quite nice. I actually like it, this one. And this one as well. We just like plain ones anyway with different color. But this one is the same color as the other one. So 3 shirts from Under Armour. That's it. It's really nice in there. And it's really cheap as well. And the next one is this one. This is Tita Doris' bag. It's her purchase. This is her Coach bag. It's her school bag. So this is her purchase, a Coach bag. We got it on sale as well. Next one would be the Calvin Klein. These are all underwears. I don't want you to see it, but it's all underwear. So I like Calvin Klein's underwear, so I really buy them. And this one next, this is the only thing I bought for myself. This is a Benefit eyebrow, so extra brows. So it's this one. Apparently this is cheaper than the other set, so if I were you, I'll just buy this one than the other one, because this one got full precise Mybrow pencil, but if you buy it, just one of it, it's just 24 pounds, but this, everything here, 3 is 24 pounds, so this is a good buy than the other one. And look, Benefit's paper bag is cute too. It's so girly. Next one would be from Polo Ralph Lauren. Ito yung pikit mata ko nang binili for my brothers. It's a polo shirt from Polo Ralph Lauren. This is for M. And this is for Ekel. So yeah, this one as well. So I just got two because it's quite expensive. Even though it's on sale, it's still expensive for me. So yeah, pikit mata. And ito ang last na. We went to London after Bicester Village. So there's no size and there's no design of this one. That's why we went to London after we went to Bicester to buy this. It's a Golden Goose shoes. This one is for Echo. And let's unbox it. Anyway. So, talagang inano pa namin siya sa London. So, if you have a Golden Goose shoes, it got this passport and this bag, which is really cute. And also, so this would be his shoes. This is Echo's Golden Goose shoes. So, it's this one. It's the green and red star here. So, it's actually really cute. Kasi walang design na to and size na to doon sa Bicester Village. But they also have Golden Goose in there. But the size and design is very limited. So that's about it. Oh my gosh, they didn't give extra lace. Because my one got extra lace. This one doesn't have extra lace. I just don't like going to Golden Goose in Dover Street. It's near Bond Street or New Bond Street in London. I just don't like the vibes of the staff there. They're okay, they're accommodating, but it feels like parang they're not very happy to entertain you. Parang ganun, parang na-judge ka, charot. Anyway, it's my personal choice naman. Personal feeling do pag bumibili ako ng shoes doon. So, feeling ko I'd rather go to Harrods na lang if I'm gonna buy something like this next time. And yeah, that's about it for whatever we got in Bicester Village. And just to let you know, because we came from Milton Keynes to Bicester Village, we just paid £2 for the bus ride. And it's really good. Just download the Stagecoach app. It is not sponsored, but just to let you know, just download the app, and in case there's any bus rides towards the destination you're going to, you can buy a single ticket for £2, and then maybe after, just buy another single ticket for another £2, and diba, tipid tips yon. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!